Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have some Beebeecraft items to share with you all. I am happy to have received some more beads in my life, and let me start off by showing you the 4 different items that I have acquired this time. So these are the packaging that they come in, and then all of these were put into a small bubble wrap mailer. And then that's how it's packed. So let me go ahead and start off with the smallest one I have received. So because Christmas is coming up and I also don't have many of the green shaded beads, so green shades of beads, so I decide to pick something like this. And of course, it's iridescent as well. I love the iridescent colors. And it also has several different shades of greens, which is really nice. Like some have like transparent ones, and some are more darker ones, and some look more iridescent than another one. So this is going to be really nice to use. So there's that one that comes in this zip bag. Then I have always loved these raspberry beads, you guys. I'm going to put it in this paper bowl that I have. Now you get 100 in a bag. And I have always loved these so much. And I've seen some larger size ones, but this one is 10 millimeter size. And the iridescent coating on it is so nice. You get like some pink shades. You get some lime green. So this is a mixed color. You can buy them in different individual colors as well. But this one, I love the mixed bag of it because you get to have make variety of projects with them. Here's a silver one. Here's the lime green one. Let me see if I have another lime green one. Actually, I don't. Anyway, here is the darker black one, black iridescent one. This is another black one, but has a different charcoal bits on the outside. Seems like I got quite a lot of the black ones. I guess you can use these for Halloween crafting also. But you guys, if you mix anything black with the pink shades, it is just so pretty. So you get those. I mean, look at that pink. It's just so iridescent and so pretty. And they almost remind me of those gift bows. They have that gift bow shape in a way. So there's the pink ones. Here's some more pink ones. Now there are some Christmas reds. Now I'm probably going to call lots of the reds and relate it to Christmas. So I'm going to call this Christmas red beads. These are really pretty. You get it, I think you get quite a bit in here as well, as you can see. Then there is this one here. Now this is like a transparent type, more clear bead type of hot pink. And do I have another one of those? I only have one of those. There are lots of lilac purple iridescent ones. As you can see, these are very pretty. Those will be super nice to add to with the black or the silver or the pink together. So I've got those. And then there are the white ones as well. I love these white ones because you can see the iridescent shine really nicely. There are some white ones in there. And there are some gold ones as well. The golds and the reds will be really nice together for Christmas crafting. Even a bit of that color next to it. And there are some blue ones. These are really nice. These are really nice shade of blue. Really nice. So you get these colors in there. So that's really nice. So let me put this one aside. Then this one here is you get a strand. You can order however many strands you want. And this is quite heavy, you guys. And the colors in this one is just really pretty. These are the colors that would be really easy to mix and match with any style of beads. So I got these. They also have like a acrylic painted feel. Like if you can see some stripy bits and some like shine through it. Can you see? As if it's like some seashell look. These could be made of seashells actually. They're really, really heavy. Very, very nice colors. I love these. So you get a strand of that. Then there is this bag. Now this bag is worth 200 grams in here. Now I've got these paper bowls just to share with you how many different kinds of beads you get in here. So I love the fact that it's a mixed bag of bead and you know, it's a really nice surprise. So this, let me just divide them so we can see the different kinds. All right, so let's go through these. Oh, you get some like cube size. These would be really nice for Christmas to put on tassels and make beaded dangles. Here's a cube bead. You also get some round green ones, and you get this like the larger size rondelle type bead. And here is a blue one. Oh, I like that blue one. It's got some kind of iridescent coating on there. There's a darker blue. So you get a mixture of lots of different colors. Here's another darker green that's faceted as well. You get some simple, you get some clear transparent seed beads as well in the greens. Lots of different shades. If you look at this one in here, like you get some milky color ones. Here's some milky color pink ones. Here's a cracked glass looking one. I love that one. It's almost got two different shades on there, like white and pink. There's like several different cracked glass looking beads. And there's also like some darker purple ones as well. And there are some hot pink ones, as you can see. And lots of different kinds of red color ones as well, I can see. Here's an orange one as well. So you basically get rainbow colors in this pack. And lots of different styles for you to try. Like this one is really nice. It's kind of like, it's not as round as this one here. It's really nice shade of blue. You get several of those. Those are really, really nice. I love them. And look at this one. This one has like a diamond shape, and it's also got like some kind of different colors in the middle of it. Really different and nice. Lots of different shades of blue. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun sorting these colors. And you get like some cylindrical ones. They're like some purple color ones as well. And you get some not ombre. What do you call this color? Some darker brown, orangey color. I can't think of the right word. But look, you get some cube size ones. So you get variety of different shapes and sizes and colors in this pack, which is really, really nice to work with. Oh, look, here is a larger one, longish one. I am really loving this pack here. It's got so many, and you get some fluorescent yellows as well, like that. And you get some fluorescent orange as well. There's some orange. Oh, I love the cracked glass ones. Really, really nice. And you also, oh my gosh, look at this. I love this flower one. That's so, so pretty. So, so pretty. It's going to be so fun just organizing this, you guys. So there's my Beebeecraft unboxing for you all. I will have all of the information down in my description area. And make sure you guys use the coupon discount code SOLEIL5 to save you $5 off a purchase over $40. Thank you so much, and I shall be back with more project shares. Bye.